Just like India is famous for amazing hill stations, it is also famous for adventurous activities. Some states in our country offer the adventurous activities like paragliding, river rafting, mountain biking, trekking, and snow ride. Hot air balloon ride is also one of the best adventurous activities out there. A lot of us do feel like experiencing a hot air balloon ride, but due to lack of information about the right place, time, and tickets, no one is able to enjoy it. So to make it a little bit easier for you, we have listed down 3 places in India wherein you can enjoy hot air balloon ride and experience the unexperienced. So the very first place in the list is Rajasthan. Rajasthan's capital Jaipur is famous for offering the best hot air balloon rides. You can see mesmerizing forts and monuments while on the ride. January to June is the best time for hot air balloon ride in Jaipur. The hot air balloon ride time is approx 40 to 50 minutes and the ticket for ride is around 3 to 4,000 for kids and 5 to 6,000 for adults. The next destination is Maharashtra. The place is famous for fun adventures like mountain bike, trekking, paragliding, and hot air balloon ride. For hot air balloon ride, you need to go to Lonavala. The best time for this thrilling adventure is between October to May. The time duration of the ride is 30 to 40 minutes and the fare for the adults is rupees 3 to 4,000 and for kids it is 2 to 3,000. Lastly, we have Karnataka in our list. The city of Hampi in Karnataka is a great place for hot air balloon ride. The best time to experience the ride is from October to May. The approx time for the ride here is 35 to 45 minutes. Talking about the fare, then for adults it is rupees 3 to 4,000 and for kids it is rupees 2 to 3,000. So it's time to take up the adventurous hot air balloon ride and experience the unexperienced. Well, we hope you like this video. For more such content, do like and subscribe to our channel India.com.